In this video, we're going to be solving multi-step equations involving a single logarithm. Okay, so we're told to rewrite this in exponential form and then solve for x. Okay, so what that means is that we're going to do this and then this. This is the circle method to change things from logarithms to exponentials or from exponentials back to logarithms. So that'll turn into x to the power of 1, or just x, equals 3x minus 6. Okay. So that becomes x equals 3x minus 6. We move the x over by subtraction, so you get 0 equals 2x minus 6. Move the 6 over, so you get 6 equals 2x. Divide the 2 on both sides, and you get x is equal to 3. Make sure that you try these solutions. Sometimes you can get solutions to logarithmic equations that you did everything right, but they may not work because you can't have 0 or negative numbers inside of a logarithm. Okay, so make sure that it works. So let's just look at it real quick. It would be plug a 3 in here, and that would give you 9 minus 6. So it would be log base x of 6 is equal to 1. And the x is down here too. So it would be log base 3 of 6 is equal to 1. So let me just write that out real quick. So if we put those in, it would be log base 3 of 3 times 3 minus 6 equals 1. And we're asking, is that true or not? So that would end up being log base 3, 9 minus 3, or 9 minus 6 is 3, equals 1. And we know that anytime you have a logarithm with the base and the argument being the same, you're always going to be equal to 1. So that's true. All right, let's look at the next video, or the next problem rather. So we do the circle thing, and we get 4 to the 2 is equal to 2x minus 4. So 16 is equal to 2x minus 4. Add the 4, so we get 20 equals 2x. Divide the 2, and we get x is equal to 10. Okay, and all you really have to do, you don't even really have to check to see if they work. Just make sure you don't get a negative or 0 on the inside. So this would end up being, on the inside, it would be 2 times 2, which is 20, minus 16. So it would be log base 4 of 16 is equal to 2. And that is true. If you change that into an exponential, 4 to the 2 power equals 16. So that's true. All right, next one we have, let's see, 2 to the 4 equals that. So 2 to the 4 power equals negative 3x plus 4. So we have 16 equals negative 3x plus 4. Move the 4 over by subtraction, and we get 12 is equal to negative 3x. Divide the negative 3, and you get negative 4 is equal to x. Okay, and if we plug that in, we get log base 2 of, let's see, if I plug a negative 4 in right here, times the negative 3, that's going to be 12. Plus 4 is 16, is equal to 4. Okay, so 2 to the 4 is equal to 16 is true. Okay, so that works. Our answer is negative 4. Okay, so let's look at these down here. Still basically the same, except we have an added step. We have some numbers out front. So we would want to divide both sides by those numbers to start the problem. Okay, so I'm going to divide both sides by negative 7. So that will give me log base 5 of 4x is equal to 2. Then I could use the circle method to change this into an exponent. It would be 5 to the 2 is equal to 4x. That is 25 equals 4x. Divide by 4, so 25 over 4 is equal to x. Okay, and you could pop that in and see if it's true. Go to the original, negative 7 of log base 5. Let's see, a 4x, so 4 times 25 over 4 equals negative 14. Okay, so these two cancel. So you get negative 7 log base 5 of 25 is equal to negative 14. And if you move this over and then do the circle thing, so log base 5 of 25 is equal to 2. 5 squared is equal to 25, and that's true. Okay, let's do this one. Divide again by that number that's in front, so you get log base 4 of x plus 19 equals 2. Do the circle thing, so you get 4 to the 2 equals x plus 19. 4 to the 2 is, of course, 16. Subtract that, and you get negative 3 is equal to x. Okay, and we can confirm that that's true really quick. We can even use this version if we want. Plug that in -3, that gives you 16. So 4 to the 2 power equals 16. That's true. All right, and here's our last one. We're going to subtract the 5 this time because it's being added. So that will be log base 2 of -5x is equal to 4. So 2 to the 4 equals -5x. 16 is equal to -5x. 16 over -5 is equal to x. Okay, and if you pop that in, let's pop it in this one. So it would be log base 2 of -5 times -16 over 5 equals 9. These cancel, so do the negative. So not 9, 4 equals 4, excuse me, equals 4. Okay, so equals 4, and that would be log base 2 of -16 is equal to 4. Oh, positive 16 because the negatives canceled out, and 2 to the 4 is equal to 16. So that is the correct answer.